Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by charging and pairing now. Plug the watch in and bring it to around 50–100% so it won't die during setup. Next, open your phone, enable Bluetooth and location, and launch the official companion app. This lets the devices exchange credentials securely. Tap Connect and accept pairing codes. Make sure to grant required permissions so notifications and sensors work. Once paired, the watch syncs time and basic settings automatically, so you can move on to customizing features. Once paired, customize the watch so it fits your routine. Choose a face and add complications for quick access to the apps you use most. This reduces taps. Then set notification rules and a do not disturb schedule so alerts arrive only when desired. Make sure to calibrate sensors, walk a known distance for step accuracy, and perform a short GPS run if you use maps. Calibrating improves fitness and location data. Finally, review app permissions again to limit background battery drain. To finish, learn the daily habits that keep the watch reliable. Sync at least once a day by opening the app or enabling background sync so activity and notifications stay current. Install firmware updates promptly. They fix bugs and improve battery life. If the watch won't respond, restart it first. If that fails, unpair and repair from the app while confirming permissions. Make sure Bluetooth is not restricted by battery saver modes. This single setting often causes missed notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.